Mr. S.S. Rajamouli. First of all, I would like to congratulate the both of you, sir, because this is something epic. और इससे बड़ा ना तो आज तक कुछ हुआ है, ना ही कोई और आप लोगों के अलावा हिम्मत करेगा. So without any further ado, let's do the honors, sir. So हो जाए. All right, I'll give a countdown. It's 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Presenting PVRRR for the first time, and how? The grandest celebration, ladies and gentlemen, in the history of cinema. इससे पहले ऐसा हमने कभी नहीं देखा है. And अब आगे क्या होगा? ये तो सिर्फ टीजर है. पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. उसके लिए we'll have to go upstairs. But before that, sir, a word of thanks for the media and for the entire Janta over here.
Thank you all for being here, and thank you to Mr. Rajamouli, because we've all gone through a lot in the last 24 months, and we needed to do something magical, experiential. And who better to be associated with than Mr. Rajamouli, because he's by far arguably the top director, top filmmaker in the country. So very, very honored, very, very humbled, and it's going to create magic on the big screen once again and get people back into the cinemas. So very happy with this association.
Thank you everyone for being here. Thanks Mr. Rajamouli for being here. I'm very, very excited for this collaboration. I'm sure we are going to create magic. Come January 7th, and we are going to witness a fantastic collaboration, and we are going to witness a fantastic visual treat. I just can't wait for it. Let's look for it. Thank you.
So it can't get bigger than this, grander than this, better than this. Okay, it's time for a quick photo op, so I'm going to excuse myself. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for this amazing, amazing team that's got this wonderful collaboration in place. PVRRR. Thank you so much. We're going to see you all upstairs now.
वरण को चुके वरण ऑफिस लेके आएगा.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, जैसा मैंने कहा, he calls himself a storyteller. He's a maverick filmmaker who's given us some of the best test movies of not just Indian cinema, बल्कि उनकी हर मूवी विदेश जाती है, अवार्ड जीत के आती है. Give it up for Mr. Rajamouli, ladies and gentlemen. S.S. Rajamouli sir के लिए जोरदार तालियां. Can we have the chairs and then maybe we'll take it again? We okay? Okay, we are okay. Question, sir. You are on the hot seat और मैं सामने खड़ा हूँ. So before we talk about this collaboration, this dosti, there's something that I want to talk about, and I genuinely want you to tell us something about that. You know, when the entire thing happened, the pandemic era, or I don't know, there are so many names to it. People have termed it, I don't know, kaise. You were someone who was always there. You left no stone unturned to get things back on track, especially for the film fraternity, for your employees, for Team PVR. How was it? How was the entire journey, I would say?
Good afternoon, everyone. Firstly, I just want to
Please.
welcome Rajamouli sir. I didn't know how to, and your family and everyone who's here. Obviously, nobody can prepare himself for a event like this. So it was a body blow. It was suddenly 100 million people came to PVR cinemas till March 15th, 2020. Then suddenly it was zero. So the shutters were shut. So anybody who does only one thing. So I always believed in doing one thing, but doing it very well. And I tried my best anyway. 31 years I've been doing it. So suddenly if the shutters come down, of course it hits you. That your revenues are zero, you've got 15,000 people employed, and the company's listed and all that. But I don't know, my mom lives with me, and my family was with me. So I got a lot of strength from that this is something that has happened beyond my control. And all I have to do is not think about it too much and just take it as it comes and keep my chin up. I have a lot of people who work in the company. I have to be positive. Yes. Obviously, anybody will get affected, but it didn't last too long, to be honest with you, for me to get affected. And there was work to be done. The company had to be saved. So I tried my best to keep my chin up, took God's name a lot, learned bhajans, and realized that there's not one-dimensional view of life. Right. Business is up and down, and that's not everything. Health comes first, family comes first, well-wishers come first. So I think that's what kept me going, really, to be honest with you. And also, he's sitting here, and I must say two engines of this country also is what made me go into this business 31 years ago. One is the film fraternity. Right. Their relentless effort to come out with brilliant movies for the big screen. And the consumers, 1.45 billion people watch movies every year. So that also, those two engines gave me a lot of confidence that nothing is going to happen. And these engines will always remain. There's a temporary setback. रुकावट के लिए खेद है, काफी बड़ा. लेकिन रुकावट ही है. It's not disruption, it's interruption. Right. And I kept telling people, please don't use the word disruption. It's a very destructive word. Yes. Use the word interruption. Right. And सब ठीक हो जाएगा. तो बस भगवान का नाम लिया और हो गया.
And you did a fantabulous job, sir. सब सही हो गया. आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे response और as I said, if this does not get people back to the theaters, I don't know what will. So Rajamouli sir, this one's for you. Not from the business perspective or not from a filmmaker's perspective. We know how passionate you are about your movies, how much you love your movies. So for you, what kind of emotions were going through, in the last 2 years? What were you going through? Like, what was on your mind?
I think, like behind this poster, blank screen, because we never anticipated, we never knew, we never even imagined something like this could happen, and it happened. But very frankly speaking, I was not down for a very long time. It was something new that was happening around, and there is an opportunity if you look in every. Okay, I won't say disruption, I'll say in every interruption there is an opportunity to look forward for. Right. So there was time to spend with my family, with friends, and relook at your career. Right. What are you doing until now? What do you want to do further? There's so much of time to think about things that we usually don't. Right. Right. We keep running, and we don't have a pause to evaluate. So this is a fantastic opportunity for me to evaluate, and I had a blast of a time.
Great, that's how you should always look at it. And as sir said, career पे relook करने का वक्त मिला. आप लोग सोच लो क्या कर रहे हो. Rajamouli sir is saying, I had to relook. I was thinking, और क्या कर सकता हूँ and all that. Okay, so talking about this collaboration, this is the biggest it can ever get. So please tell us something about this. How did it happen? Like, कैसे हुआ ये?
No, first thing I want to take the words from you itself. I don't want to call it a collaboration. I want to call it a dosti. Fantastic. It's a fantastic dosti, sir.
Absolutely, sir. Likewise.
Yeah. And like RRR style, the dosti goes like this. Yes. Yeah. That is what it is. Friendship, and like you said, it happened because of the pandemic. Otherwise, it might not have happened, right? So we had a time to look at, and fantastic people came around from PVR, from our team. They sat together and thought. So once this happened before the pandemic, I mean, before the second lockdown, after the first lockdown, it happened, and they were discussing how once we get back on track, how can we make this big, right? And I guess it was Varun who came up with the idea of PVRRR. Everyone thought it was fantastic. Shalu said it was fantastic, and like all of us were very excited. But there was corporate documentation, legal documentation. But the thing is, he was very excited. I was very excited, and they just went through this process, and here we are. I'm very excited. That's the only word that's coming to my mind again and again. Excitement.
Right.
No,
right.
that's what I'm. That's what it is.
Superb, sir. Superb. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Come on for that excitement. We all are looking forward to this and many more blockbusters, sir से, PVR से. And now it's over to you guys. आप लोग के जो भी सवाल हैं, आप लोग पूछ सकते हैं. इतने प्यार में है टीजर में. जी.
How can I say it is? There is no gender, sir. Everyone is a hero. Even Alia is a hero in this film, and like again, I'm coming to the same point again and again. It is about bringing the friendship of those 4 heroes that you see on the screen.
Hello, sir. Hello. Yeah, I'm Ritunjay from Pop Diaries. Nice to see that teaser and all. It's blockbuster already. And here we're talking about the biggest collaboration in world cinema. But how was the collaboration with so many superstars?
It was great. I mean, frankly, I knew them before. I worked with them before. And I knew Ajay sir because he did Son of Sardar, which was a remake of my Telugu film, and I met him during the promotions of my film Makki. He was very gracious to do the honors of releasing the trailer back then. So I had association with them. But again, I believe it's not just because of me or it's because of my friendship that things like this happen. When you have a fantastic script, and when the actors listen to the script and they say, when they see themselves a part of the, as the character in the script, then you don't need your names, you don't need your connections, you don't need your friendships, you know. If the character is so well written, if the script is so well written, things will fall into place. That's what happened with RRR.
Hi, Rajamouli sir, Justin here from PTI, towards your left here. Right. Left. Towards your right, sorry.
Okay.
Yeah, you know, RRR is of course one of the most anticipated films for Indian cinema. A lot of people are putting their hopes on the film to revive the theatrical business. But in the Hindi sector, it's going to clash with Mr. Bhansali's big, massive film. Do you think, how do you look at the clash first? And do you think in the post-COVID times when the business is so important for everyone, will this hamper?
No, not at all. I always believed if the films are good, it's not just 2 films. If 2 films, 3 films, 4 films, even 4 films come together, if the films are good, the people are going to come and watch all the films. It happened again and again. There are, if you look back at the history, there are multiple instances that happened. And because of the COVID times, because so many, everything was shut down for 1.5 years, a bottleneck is expected. Everyone expects a bottleneck, but if your films are good, if the content in your film is good, it doesn't matter how many films come together, people are going to come and watch. It will be like they'll be spoiled for choice.
Hello, Rajamouli sir. This is Ravi Jain from ABP News. Towards your right. Hi, sir. This film was supposed to release earlier, and I want to know, were you anxious when the film was not releasing on time and there was pandemic and the world was disrupted due to pandemic? So were you anxious about it? Ki when is it going to release? Because this is such a big budget film. And also the seating arrangements have not changed. Like it's still 50% people only can watch the film in any screen. So do you think it is going to affect your film that way?
Like I was saying before, when pandemic happened, it is not just a problem of my film. It's not just a problem of the film field itself. It's a problem of entire humanity, right? So it is, there is no scope or there is no, chance of sitting and crying of, oh, what's going to happen to me? What's going to happen to my film? No, this is the situation. This is what it is.
and how do you make the most out of it? No, that's how we started working. That's what Ajay sir was saying just before. That's the situation. That's what we have in front of us. And how do we overcome those obstacles? How do we make the most of it? How do we make it exciting for the people to come and watch it again and again? All right. So you have to make your film much better. If you had a film in your hand which made people come and watch once, now make it more exciting so the people will come and watch it twice, so that you get your money back. So that's the only thing that we can do. Make your product better and better, and from PVR side, make the experience better and better. That's what it is. That's how I look at it.
Hi, one more question, sir. Earlier you have made so many films, and majorly you have made films with South stars, like majorly with Telugu stars. How do you thought of casting Ajay Devgan in such an important role and Alia Bhatt for this film?
I stopped looking actors as South or North or Hindi or Tamil or Kannada. I stopped looking at stars like that. Even before that, I stopped looking at the audiences like Hindi, Tamil, Bengali, Malayalam or like that. I just look at them as Indian audience. That's I've been doing for a long time. Yeah. And once I write down the script, I look at, okay, which actor has the capability or which actor will look best in this part for this character. If he's a Malayali, he's a Malayali. If he's a Bengali, he's a Bengali. If he's a Marathi, he's a Marathi. I just approach the actor and say, see, this is the script that I have. This is the role that I have. Would you be interested? Right? Of course, I can't deny the fact Bahubali behind me will help a lot. I can't deny the fact, but I don't go with the visiting art of Bahubali. I go with the visiting card of my script and my characterizations, and that's what helped me so long. Thank you.
Hi, sir. Hello, sir. Here.
Okay.
Yeah, this is Nikita from India Forum. So my question is, how difficult or easy was the decision to release the films in theaters and not on OTT? Because, you know, we were not sure कि ये pandemic कब तक चलेगा, कब खत्म होगा. So, you know, there would be a dilemma to release it in the theaters or OTT. तो आपके लिए decision कितना difficult था या कितना easy था?
It was very, very easy. I don't make, I make films only for theaters. No, I make films for audiences to come together, watch the film together, the experiences that I have learned from my childhood till date, and the way I operate, the way my mind thinks is like for the audiences sitting in one closed space, a large number of audience sitting in one closed space and experiencing the emotions that I show on screen. That's how my mind works, so that's the only way I look at it. So it is quite easy for me. There is no dilemma in that.
Can I add something to that? Before the pandemic, the journey of any content has always been theatrical, and then it goes to other platforms. Because theatrical sets a quantitative and a qualitative benchmark for any movie. So you get to know how it did and how was the word of mouth. Then the other journey starts happening of monetizing it on other platforms. So theatrical, not because I run cinemas, still represents good 60 to 70% of you know, movie collections, revenues. And it's an active experience. It's not a passive experience. So you are going out of your comfort zone and getting to a cinema, car parking, and then watching a movie. And when Rajamouli sir makes a movie like this, he appreciates the fact that people are getting out of their homes. So therefore, it has to be something which is made for the big screen. So I think OTT, theatrical is not a either an or thing. They've always coexisted. Obviously, the volume became very high because cinemas were shut and accentuated. But post the pandemic, I hope we are in post-pandemic and it's become an endemic, it'll again coexist. Very happily they'll coexist. There is no either or situation at all.
Absolutely, I second that. If you remember in the 90s when the Star Network came to India, and everyone was saying this is the end of cinemas. No, because the people will be spoiled for choice. They have so many films that are going to run on television. The films are going to shut forever. But no, it had its own audience. Television industry exists. It does very well. The film industry and the theater business exists as well. It continues to do well. Of course, every medium has its own challenges. And all of them coexist. The same way the OTT is also going to coexist along with the television industry and the film industry.
Rajmouli
Hi.
sir,
Hi, sir.
a small interjection with your permission. Mr. Bijli, there was this earlier question about 50% restriction.
Right.
If you could address it, because there's
Oh, yeah.
confusion around that.
Yeah, there is confusion. This only that most of the states have announced 100% now. So even Delhi announced yesterday, Gujarat announced yesterday, Telangana has been 100%. And it's a matter of time where by the time, by the way, this movie comes 7 January, God willing, I think everything will be at 100%.
Rajmouli sir, hi, this side. Hi. So this is Siddhi from Asianet News. My question is, for the first time, you collaborated like with Alia, Junior NTR, and like different celebrities. We have seen celebrities from the Hindi cinema and the South coming together. So how was your experience working with them, and what were the challenges that you faced, during the shooting of the film, like knowing that the pandemic was there as well?
Working with the stars has been quite easy for me because they are thorough professionals. They know what to do. They learn their lines. They look to the director to do what he wants. Like if I talk about Ajay sir, he was like. He doesn't even go into the caravan. He just sits just outside the peripheral of the shooting area and just sits there looking at me continuously. Just if I just look at him, do you want me, sir? And he comes onto the shooting location. And Alia was like she was buggering the direction department to get her lines much before, so she can get her lines right, to get her diction right. They were thorough professionals, so I didn't have any kind of difficulty. And Charan and Tarak are my friends, my brothers. I have known them for 15-20 years now, and there was no difficulty in working with them. Working in the pandemic times, it had its challenges. Maintaining the distance in the initial stages of getting back onto the shoot. Maintaining the distances, maintaining the masks, making people aware of the protocols, and But like I said, those are the things that you have to do, and you have to do it. That's it. So we just figure out how to go about it, and we go about it. So otherwise, if I had to shoot 20-25 shots in a day, because of all these restrictions, probably I was shooting 15-20 shots a day. That's the only thing. Otherwise, it was fine.
Hi, sir. Samina
hi.
here from Times of India. Hello.
Yes, please.
Hi. Sir, what excites you and what encourages you to make a period drama? Because it's a very lengthy film also. Be it with Bahubali also, we had to wait to see the second version also. So what excites you the most for that?
What excites me most, this is a question I was asked most of the times, and what really excites me is, if you look at it, is finally when my film comes onto the screen, the way the audience react to the emotions that are displayed on the screen, that is what excites me most. That is the reason why I make the films. I just want to see the reactions of the audiences. I want to... I mean, when we write the story, when we are making the film, we have certain expectations of how the audiences are going to react to certain scenes, a certain song or a fight. Just to see it coming true. The realization, yes, we achieved what we wanted to. That is the sole reason, that is the driving point for me to make a film.
अजय जी,
2 और सवाल लेंगे हम जी।
अजय जी, जैसा कि सर ने कहा है कि वो डिफरेंशिएट नहीं करते बंगाली या फिर साउथ या किसी को भी, लेकिन अगर आप थिएटर वाइज देखें तो 60% जो थिएटर्स हैं वो साउथ को बिलोंग करते हैं, तो उनमें तो 100% है कि श्योरिटी है कि फुल जाएंगे, लेकिन रेस्ट ऑफ द जो स्टेट्स हैं वहाँ आपका प्रिडिक्शन क्या काम करता है? क्योंकि जैसा हमने देखा है वो बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त है। जो तो आपको क्या लगता है कि जो साउथ के अलावा जो और स्टेट्स हैं वहाँ पर ये फिल्म किस तरह से करें?
नहीं, जैसे राजमौली सर ने बोला कि वो इंडियन ऑडियंस को सेग्रीगेट नहीं करती विद इन रीजन्स। वो ऐसी एक स्टोरी कहानी बताना चाहते हैं जो सबके साथ रेजोनेट करे। तो मुझे लगता है सारी पिक्चर, जैसे बाहुबली भी थी, वो भी हर जगह एवरी पार्ट ऑफ द कंट्री इट डिड वेल, and I think by looking at this trailer, he used the word exciting, even I'm got very excited now. I think it will resonate in every single place, and it's also getting dubbed in various languages. एक तो story जो है वो हर जगह resonate करेगी. It's about the Indian freedom struggle and the way he's made it, and he's addressing everybody. तो मुझे लगता है it'll do well everywhere.
SS Garu, welcome to Mumbai. Bagunnara.
Bagunnanandi, thank you.
Okay, fictional story between two revolutionaries, Charan and Rao, who fought against Britishers and Nizam of Hyderabad. How have you managed to avoid any historical contradiction that usually reps, you know?
Luckily, what we did was usually these things comes when we make a a biopic of the heroes. No, that's the time when people come up with this kind of allegations or whatever. But from the beginning, we are very clear that this is completely fictional. None of the scenes or whatever you see in the film are not actually a part of their actual lives, right? It is like I took the lives of these superheroes, real life superheroes or freedom fighters, Alluri Sita Ramaraja and Komaram Bhim, who belong to the same era, who went out of their homes during the same time, and no one knows what happened to them when they went out of their houses. And after 3-4 years, they came back and they started fighting for the rights of their people in the same modus operandi. Now, that gave me a very big excitement, like what if these two superheroes, these two demigods whom we worship, what if they actually met? What if they exchange their ideas? What if they are friends? They are close friends. What if they fought against each other? No, all these ideas are like very, very exciting to me. So it's a completely fictional tale. There is no one bit of real life, real historical facts in the film. It's a completely fictional tale. It's about the friendship between two real superheroes who are freedom fighters. Yeah, that's it about it.
Hello.
Arguably, after the success of Bahubali,
अजय जी, मेरा नाम आरती सक्सेना है. सवाल पहले कौन पूछेगा?
यहाँ दो बाहुबली बढ़ गए, वाह, कमाल हो गया. You want to complete your question?
अच्छा, तो मेरा सवाल अजय जी से था कि ये जो आरआरआर और पीवीआर की जो कोलैबोरेशन है और अनोखी दोस्ती है, तो ये सिर्फ इसी फिल्म तक रहेगी कि आगे भी बढ़ेगी?
No, it is not I don't believe in one-time film deals. I don't believe in that. That's not how I operated. That's not how I worked. If it's a friendship, it's a friendship. Yeah. That's why I'm calling. I don't want to use the word collaboration. I want to use it dosti. And forgive my Hindi. I think it is bijli means thunder or electrifying. It's going to be an electrifying dosti between PVR and RRR for a long time to come.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
राजामौली जी,
I express the same sentiment. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
आपसे मेरा एक क्वेश्चन ये भी था कि आपने हिंदी इंडस्ट्री में एंट्री की है, तो हिंदी बोलने में आपको कितनी तकलीफ?
No, I can definitely speak Hindi, but I'm not sure about you being here when I start speaking Hindi. That's the
अभी गिराई थी ना बिजली, अभी तो गिराई बिजली. क्या बात करते हैं हम? Yeah. One last question we'll take. Yeah, please.
Hello. Hi, sir. This is Keyul from Sinistan.
Sorry, can you come again, please?
Sorry, this is Keyul from Sinistan. As we all know, no matter how much we try to ignore, but we can't forget that the collections of your last films were stupendous. I mean, they broke all the records. So naturally, there is a similar expectation from RRR as well. So how are you looking at this aspect?
When we make films, It is the audience who give us the money. So in this aspect, you are the audience. So if you are not going to give me enough money like Bahubali, I'm not going to accept that, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Mr. Rajamouli. Yeah, to your left.
Okay, please.
You have a penchant of making films for cinema. Everything is larger than life. You even made a fly into a larger than life creature. What primarily drives you to make cinema for that medium? I mean, for example, if we saw the trailer here, it looks like a film which has to be seen here on the big screen for Mr. Bijli to make a lot more money as well. Yeah.
In our childhood, going to a cinema was a very, very big thing. We were allowed to go only one film per 1 month, right? And we used to wait so much. We used to wait so much for it, and we buy the ticket, we sit in the theater. I come from a very small town, and the theater was in a very bad shape. You can smell cigarette, you can smell all the bad things in a small town theater would give it, but none of it bothered us. I still remember the excitement sitting in the theater the moment the lights shut down. The amount of excitement I get, it never leaves me. Even now, when we are sitting here, when the lights shut off to play when the teaser, I still get the same excitement. And I assume all my audiences who come to the theater have the same kind of excitement. I assume that, I believe that. And I don't want that excitement to go down. And that drives me. I want the audience to have if they feel anger in my film, I want them to feel to the fullest. If they feel like laughing, I want them to laugh to the fullest. If they feel wonder, I want them to wonder in the biggest way possible. So that is what makes me make my films. Yeah.
Hello.
Very soon. See, when I made Bahubali, the film itself, the story itself warranted two parts. In RRR, the whole story comes within one film. I don't believe in making a film in 1 part, 2 part, 3 part for the marketing, for the business. It doesn't work. It's a dishonest way of making films. I don't want to make the films that way. When the teaser is going to come, the marketing team, did you make a we will announce it today. This evening itself, we are going to announce when the teaser is going to be made public.
Hello, sir. Rajmouli garu.
And I want to say one important thing when Mr. Sorry, sir. Kamal was talking. He said it is an honor that I be present in the cinemas in the auspicious day. Sir, the honor is mine. I sincerely believe, I sincerely feel that the theater is my temple. I don't believe in God, but I believe in theater. It's my temple. So it's an honor that I'm here, and I'm so happy that this collaboration is going to happen. And forgive me if I get my numbers wrong, 855 screens across the country.
Yes.
PVR, fantastic, the biggest exhibition giant. The giants are going to come together, just like the film, how these big giants have come together. The big giants, PVR and RRR, are going to come together to give you the best of the experiences that you can get.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Hello, sir. Rajmouli garu.
Thank you so much.
Sir,
एक करके sir. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
రాజమౌళి గారు, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ సార్ ఇక్కడికి వచ్చినందుకు ముంబైలోకి.
Pleasure.
నెక్స్ట్ నేను అనిల్ అండి, స్పీడ్ టాలీవుడ్ నుంచి. ఇంకా మేము దివాళీలోపు ఒక మాస్ సాంగ్ ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేయొచ్చా సార్? ఫ్యాన్స్ చాలా అడుగుతున్నారు.
మీ ఎక్స్పెక్టేషన్ నేను ఎలా ఆపగలను చెప్పండి? హౌ కెన్ ఐ స్టాప్ యువర్ ఎక్స్పెక్టేషన్? ద టీమ్ ఈస్ హియర్. ఐ కెన్ గివ్ యూ దేర్ నెంబర్స్. మీకు బయట ఏమన్నా రౌడీలు ఉంటే కూడా పెట్టుకోండి. ఐ డోంట్ మైండ్. యూ క్యాచ్ హోల్డ్ ఆఫ్ దెమ్ బై దేర్ షర్ట్ కాలర్స్ అండ్ డిమాండ్ దెమ్ వెన్ దే ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు గివ్ యూ దోస్ థింగ్స్.
ఓకే సార్, మనకి ప్రభాస్ గారిది రాధేశ్యామ్ కూడా వస్తుంది జనవరి లోపల. అప్పుడు దాని మీద మీ స్పందన ఏంది సార్? అంటే మనకి RRR కూడా వస్తుంది కదా సార్?
అదే చెప్పాను కదండి, రాధేశ్యామే కాదు, ఇంకా చాలా దేర్ ఆర్ మెనీ ఫిల్మ్స్ దట్ ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు కమ్. ఇఫ్ ద ఫిల్మ్స్ ఆర్ గుడ్, I certainly hope, I wish all the films are good and all the film make money and all the films make the audiences very, very happy and very, very excited. It's for all films. This is the time where we can't say my film has to do well, that film can't do well. This is not the time for it. This is the time for all of us to come together and say, think, feel that all films should do well and all films should make money.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. अच्छा मेरे को लगा क्या हो गया, मैंने कुछ गलत बोल दिया. Sir, all I want to say is, you know, after this interaction, there's only one thing I can say. We have some brilliant actors in the industry, but the josh, the energy, the excitement that you have, I think that is what reciprocates on the big screen. Rajamouli sir ke liye zordar taaliyan ho jaye. It's contagious, sir.
Thank you.
And now it's time for a quick photo op. I'd like to invite on stage some very important people जिनके contribution के बिना ये शायद हो नहीं पाता. Mr. DVV Danaya साहब, DVV Entertainment से जोरदार तालियां. Thank you so much, sir, for this gem of a movie. Mr. Jayanti Lal Gada, ladies and gentlemen, Pen Studios say we all know him, we all love him, and he's acquired the electronic and satellite rights and will be distributing the movie in the Northern Territory. Zordar taaliyan ho jaye Gada sahab ke liye, please. And now there's this very special person who's worked relentlessly round the clock, लेकिन behind the scenes. वो आगे नहीं आए लेकिन उनका काम जो है यहाँ पे देखने को मिल रहा है. Mr. Kartikeya Rajamouli साहब, जोरदार तालियां, come on, for this amazing person here.